arbitrationagreements.org. I hope you are comfortable and ready to learn a bit about a key figure in the world of alternative dispute resolution, the facilitator. You know, sometimes disputes and disagreements require a gentle touch, an intermediary who knows how to nurture understanding and agreement between conflicting parties. That's where a facilitator steps in. But before we continue, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. Now let's dive deep into who a facilitator is and what they do. In the most simple terms, a facilitator is someone who assists groups in achieving their goals or solving their problems, but without taking a position or expressing an opinion about the substance of the discussions. Quite a neutral entity, if you ask me. It's interesting to note that the need for facilitators is on the rise. To give you a bit of context, a survey conducted in 2021 showcased that about 80% of businesses use some form of alternative dispute resolution, and having a facilitator was a popular choice among them. It tells us how vital their role can be in establishing harmony and facilitating understanding. They are like the directors of a harmonious orchestra, subtly guiding the group dynamics to foster cooperation, while assisting parties to navigate through the discussion, helping to clarify misunderstandings and fostering a space where everyone feels heard. It's quite a delicate balance to maintain, don't you think? Now, I must mention that being a facilitator is not an easy task. It requires a set of skills that are both intrinsic and acquired over time. They must be excellent listeners, able to read between the lines and understand the underlying emotions and sentiments that are often left unsaid. Additionally, facilitators have a knack for asking the right questions at the right time to stimulate thought and dialogue. It's like having an intuitive sense of where the conversation should go, guiding it smoothly to reach a resolution that all parties can agree upon. Interestingly, according to a study from 2017, more than 90% of cases that used facilitative mediation reached a settlement. This speaks volumes about the effectiveness of having a facilitator during the resolution process. They are certainly playing a pivotal role in transforming the way disputes are resolved. Wouldn't you agree? Before we wrap up, I want you to visualize a calm stream, flowing gently, navigating around obstacles with grace and ease. This imagery is symbolic of the journey a facilitator guides conflicting parties through, helping to find the smoothest, most peaceful route to resolution. It's a journey of understanding, of finding common ground, and fostering connections that may have seemed impossible at the outset. Do you need more information about facilitators? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think about the definition of a facilitator? Does it make sense to you? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.